so nenke chuku. Yabala ibande jayo. Kita namanyo wai. Amen. Yabalanya yo nenke chuku so.
Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button.
Rena na nwa na monso. Otito dịrị nna na nwa na monso. Otito dịrị nna na nwa na monso. Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwere gara aga. Ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa. Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ nna na nwa na mmụọ nsọ.
FM, 24 hours of informative, educative, and entertainment programs. Can't stop, won't stop. On Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Listen to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona, the FM breaks the news with actualities.
And believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
you can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM.
Good morning and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Tuesday, the 9th day of April, 2024. And the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Ifeanyi Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Release of cultists from custody escalates cult killings in Anambra Police. Firm partners Israeli experts to establish dairy farm in Abia. President General of Nkwelle Ezunaka community Lauds Gov Soludo for addressing road challenges. Trump's abortion statement angers conservatives and gives Biden campaign a new target. Now, details. Release of cultists from custody escalates cult killings in Anambra Police. The Anambra Police Command said the resurgences of cult-related killings in Awka, the state capital, is due to the release of some suspected suspects from custody. The State Commissioner of Police, Aderemi Adoye, said this in an interview with newsmen in Awka on Monday. Newsmen recalled fewer than 5 persons were killed on Easter Day, while a yet-to-be-ascertained number were gunned down in different locations in the town on Sunday. While reacting to the recent killings in the town, Aderemi said the command was reaching out to the judiciary to find out why and how the cult suspects were released. He said the command had not received any report on the alleged killings on Sunday and urged anybody with information on the incidents to help the police with it. He said the command had in place and maintained a security architecture which ensured that Awka did not witness cult-related killing for about 6 months. Firm partners Israeli experts to establish dairy farm in Abia. Abia State is set to attract an ultra-modern dairy farm and milk processing plants, the first of its such project in the Southeast Zone. Already, a proposal for the establishment of the project has been tabled before Governor Soti for his approval. The proposed dairy farm is being promoted by Blue Ribbon Limited with technical support and partnership of an Israeli agro-processing firm, Afimilk. The management of Blue Ribbon got a partial approval from Governor Oti to establish the dairy farm when they visited him with the proposal for Abia to host the project. A statement from the office of the Abia governor said that Oti gave his tacit approval when he received the management of the Blue Ribbon led by Sir Idris Wabara, pending when the details of the project will be worked out. While explaining the proposal for the dairy farm, Wabara, who hails from Ohambele in Ukwa East local government of Abia State, said that the technical partner, Afimilk, is an Israeli firm renowned for its expertise in agriculture. He outlined the significance of the project in strengthening the economic landscape of Abia State and its potential impact on the lives of citizens by enhancing the state's agricultural productivity. President General of Nkwelle Ezunaka Community Lauds Gov Soludo for addressing road challenges. The negative narratives about the leadership of Nkwelle Ezunaka community has been debunked by the leadership of the community, and the misconceptions peddled by some disgruntled members of the community who were denied electoral manipulations during a fair and free election for the Igwe chief of the community. This was explained by Ogbuefi Willie Okafor. Nkwelle is the village that is supposed to provide the individual that will serve as the traditional prime minister, Onowu, of the community. The selection of Onowu, traditional prime minister, was done with a keen adherence to the constitution of Nkwelle Ezunaka community. Ogbuefi Willie Okafor, who doubles as the PG and the Onowu of the community, while addressing mischief makers in the community, also lauded Governor Chukwuma Charles Soludo for addressing the issue of bad roads in Nkwelle Ezunaka community. Here is a report. Please take a listen.
The portfolios of a President General and the traditional Prime Minister of a community is quite different, as the President General is a representative of the government in the leadership of a community, while the traditional Prime Minister is about customs and is a position without tenure. Ogbuefi Willie Okafor, the President General of Nkwelle Ezunaka community, who also doubles as the Onowu of the community, explains this situation as enshrined in the constitution of Nkwelle Ezunaka community.
Two positions, the two offices are independent. PG, who an elected person working, representing the government in this country. Who is the appointment from you? The head, all right, my dear, you don't need to consult. My village is the village here, but the person will go chop.
He further explained that those who propagate the negative narrative about Nkwelle Ezunaka are people he campaigned and voted for during election for leadership of the community, but are disgruntled today because he refused to allow their foul play.
And you know, very free, very tall. One people, and then you will have one car, and no one say, I will not, I will not go. When I do one go, you will have to go. Because I belong to that camp. In reality, I belong to that camp. But when it comes to Cabo Day, I got to stand here. I told him no, I will give him no support. Which I did. My vote went to him. Even if they were appointing me, told me, man,
he lauded the governor of Anambra State, Professor Chukwuma Charles Soludo, for addressing the challenges of bad road in the community. But like Oliver Twist, his community needs more attention in the areas of erosion. But he expressed his confidence in the governor to address these challenges.
I will have as much as I can. You need more.
Okay.
And they follow some part of our nation government. Okay. So we pray our God to the overall His Excellency Mr. Governor, is doing well. Our life, always on every more. Security, problem,